White's objective here is to make a living shape. Obviously, white's eye space is not enough. This way, black can kill white very easily, or if you try something like this, it's just not going to work for white. So white must look to the corner, looking to this cutting point for answers. And that's exactly what white should do as the first move, right? Because black has a bending move here on the first line, the clamp will not work because black can simply connect, and there's just nothing white can do here, right? Number 3 here will force black to play here, number 4, but white will not be able to find an extra VOI here on the corner. So number 1 must cut here, and number 2 must capture. Now it seems like white can succeed by simply playing the Atari here, black will capture, white can stand down. Now what white is trying to achieve is to play this setup, number 7, forcing black to play number 8, connect here, forcing black to play number 10. And now this is a connect and die against these 3 black stones on the first line. And this will guarantee another VOI here. So this is white's goal. And if black connects here, of course white can Atari and make a living shape this way. But black can come from behind, and this will be tougher for white. White can only play here number 7. If black connects, then white can build an extra eye here with number 9. So white can succeed this way. But the problem is number 8 can play here, and now we'll have a ko, starting with number 9. So that is actually not the optimal result white can achieve. So to avoid this ko, white actually needs to sacrifice one more stone here. So potentially, if black connects here, right, this is potentially very complicated. It'll be something like this. Black will probably try something here on the outside, and we'll try to kill white. This way it will be quite complicated. Might be something like this. And this might be a ko. So this is only one variation, of course. You can try some of the other variations on your own, but it's probably no guarantee that white can kill black cleanly. But I think for the purpose of learning this shape, number 3 is really important, right? We'll just have black play here for the sake of simplicity. White will cut here, forcing black to capture, and now there'll be no more ko for black to play. And this way, white will have 2 real eyes, one here and the other one is right here. So this is actually the correct sequence for the purpose of this problem, right? Sacrificing one more here, number 3. Although if black does connect here, this is going to get a lot more complicated, right? Because white is so short on liberties. If white has a couple more liberties on the outside, this would have been better, right? Because throwing in here is sente. Black must capture. Otherwise, white can still live by playing here. Now this is, again, sacrificing 3 stones. There'll be another VOI left. So that's why number 8 must capture here. The problem with white playing this sequence on its own is that after white plays here, white only has 2 liberties left. So white can only play on the outside like this. But I guess this way is probably going to be a seki, right? Black plays here. Now white can just play on the outside. This will be a seki shape, assuming that white is alive here on the outside. So again, another viable variation, I guess, but slightly more complicated than the solution the author of this problem had in mind. So the key here really is to try to capture these 3 stones. The order matters, so white must play this cut and make all these sacrifices on the corner. And once white gets to 5 and 7, after sacrificing these 2 stones, white will be able to succeed. So pretty neat. Make sure you understand all these moves, all these variations, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.